Now, we have something called pH. And pH is a math function. It's on your calculator, and it's minus the base 10 log of the concentration of the H plus or H3O plus in the solution. Okay? And you find this on your calculator. You look for a special minus key and a log button on your calculator. You may have to check the instructions on your calculator on how to do this. But it's minus the log of the H plus concentration. The bracket actually means molarity. And so when we do that, we will get a scale that runs from the center, 7, 0 on one end, and 14 on the other end. Okay? Now, at pH 7, we call this neutral. And at neutral pH, the concentration of the H plus ions in water is equal to the concentration of the OH minus ions in the solution. Now, at pH 0, from 7, we call this acidic. Between 7 and 0, we call this acidic. And when you're acidic, you have more H plus and less OH minus in solution. Now, this should make sense. If it's an acid, it means it's producing H plus. If it's an acid, it's a proton donor, a proton being an H plus. And so acidic, it sounds like acid, and so it should make sense that you have more H plus in an acidic solution. If you have more of H plus, you have less of OH minus. Now, from 7 to 14, we call that basic. And, well, you guessed it. If it's basic, well, that means you have more OH minus, because what do bases do? Bases produce OH minus. And since they produce OH minus, then you're going to have more OH. But you also have H plus in there, and so we say we have less H plus. So we have more OH minus for basic, less H plus for basic, and we have more H plus and less OH minus for acidic. And this is important because this is one of the definitions of what it means to be acidic, and this is one of the definitions of what it means to be basic. All right.